Okay, so let's see how many calls we made today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's do about three more cold calls and let's see what happens. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually decided I'm just gonna stick with people in Virginia. This is because this whole video I just wanted to be focused around one state. But the next video I post, we'll go back to calling people in California. Or we can try calling people in Texas. I'm looking to call people in all the cities with, like arenas and NFL stadiums, things along that nature, because they're already used to spending money in their town, so they can have the money to afford my services. That's a DMP. He did not pick up. So that was call number 14. We'll just do one more and we'll end this video with 15 calls. But it seems like as of right now, I'm not going to get an email. That's okay, because I want this to happen, because I want to show you true footage of me going my 90 days. Today is day 10, possibly day 11. So this is good. This is progress, and in the future we'll look back at this video to recall, things that I did, things that I could improve on, and overall just how scalable it was calling people in Virginia specifically, or how good I was able to obtain clients in this specific time in 2021. So this is good. I'm glad that we can share this moment. Jake. All right, Jake, you're going to be my last call for today. Let's see if Jake... Hold on, someone's calling me back. Hello, yes, you reached... Hello?
Yes, someone called me from this number.
Yes, my name Bernard. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Speaking with Tommy.
Tommy.
Tommy Thomas.
Oh, yeah, I came across your ad on Craigslist. Yeah, it's come back to me. Yeah, I had a question for you about your services.
About what service? What are you speaking of?
The ad that you had posted on Craigslist. Long story short...
Okay, I have several ads. Which one are you talking about?
Damn, I messed that one up. Because when I cold call, I expect them to call me back, but when they call me back, I didn't have it up in front of me, the services that he offers. So I couldn't respond back to them because, once I hang up or once they tell me no, I just erase them out of my mind. I don't really think about them. So that one's on me. We're not going to count that as my 15 call, but that one's on me because, he called me back and I didn't have his services in front of me of what he's doing. He's calling me back again, but I'm going to have to decline this. But so that's me being self-aware enough to take accountability for my mistake right there. I should, have that up in front of me, just in case they do call him back, I can go, oh yeah, I remember what you was calling about, blah, blah, blah. But, yeah, that one's on me. So, like I said, we're going to call Jake, and we're going to see if Jake wants to do some business. Or did we? I don't know. We're going to call Jake. That last call did throw me off for a second, but I'm back on game. Well, there you have it. That was 15 live cold calls. It was definitely a learning experience today. I'm I am considering changing the time frame in which I do cold call these clients. But yeah, I made 15 cold calls. We got a bunch of did not pick ups. We got a bunch of no's. We got a bunch of people who do not take their business seriously. And there was a few moments in this video where I could have, one, threw more rebuttals, and two, my main takeaway that I did today was I actually qualified a few of the people that we spoke to. You can leave me a feedback below, of course, but for the most part, I think that I threw a bunch of good rebuttals. The biggest one that I wish I could get back was when I was speaking to the receptionist, because she wasn't a decision maker. She wasn't able to make that call. But I mean, that's what happens, you know. But in time, I can get better to the point where I'm able to get past the receptionist and get strictly to the decision maker. I had an idea in my mind that I seen this one video from Jordan Belfort, but for time purposes, I didn't do that. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. 15 live cold calls. Hope this gave you some hindsight, some inspiration for you to pick up the phone. As you see, I didn't get no emails today, but we'll come back tomorrow on day 12, where we continue this journey as I build my social media marketing agency from the ground up. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you tomorrow.